Ever wondered what makes animals so awesome? Get ready to find out. Did you know that an octopus has 3 hearts? Yep, one for each gill and one for its body. Talk about being heart smart. And get this, a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Perfect name for these stylish birds. Here's a cool one. Cows have best friends and get stressed when they're apart. Who knew cows could be so relatable? Check this out. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. They can chill underwater for up to 40 minutes. Oh, and did you know that a snail can sleep for 3 years? That's one serious nap. Last one, promise. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump. But who needs to jump when you're that big and graceful? So there you have it, folks. Some totally mind-blowing animal facts to share with your friends. Hit that like button if you learned something new. Catch you next time on Mr. Fact.